today we're gonna get inspired by a 13x6 wig from Kryssma. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. This isn't just your average Amazon wig review today, as Kryssma has made a 13x6 frontal. So as we all know, Amazon wigs generally have a 2-inch parting. So this wig has a 6-inch parting. Let's talk about it right there. Also with this wig, she has a pre-plucked hairline. So I would say that of the pre-plucked hairline, it's about 1/2 inch or so. Now with that, when I actually cut the lace off, I do not need that much, so I'll probably cut it so it's just about 1/4 inch. So I like that they give you a lot of it so you can really customize with how much you want it, or if you want the whole thing, or if you just want a little smidge of it. So let's just look at this side right here. I mean, that's pretty amazing right there. And then let's just look at her color. So she's actually this brown ombre, and I feel like she just has like this cool yet the slight honeyness to it. She actually reminds me of a wig that I have from Main Concept, and I absolutely love it. It's a very long, gorgeous wig. So let's just look at that. And then what I really like about it is that it has these very long layers down here. So it's very like sweeping down here. So it isn't aggressive. I also like that she isn't super stick straight. So she has a little bit of, I don't know, just a little bit of a texture to her. Not the hair, but she has a little bit of body. Body's the word that I'm looking for. She has a little bit of body to her, so she isn't stick straight. So I prefer wigs that are not seriously straight. So let's take a look at the other construction besides the lace and whatnot. So she has 2 combs right here in the side. You can definitely take a better look at that 6-inch parting. I mean, wow, that's pretty intense right there. Then she also has a comb right back here with that end of the parting. And then she has a comb right back here with the fasteners. She does have a medium-sized cap, so if you require a large head-friendly wig, she would work for you. She's also heat resistant as well. You can heat her up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit if you choose to heat modify her. All right, so let's just put this gorgeous girl on. Now as well, she does come with 2 wig caps, so as soon as she arrives, you're ready to go and rock her out. But I'll be using a wig cap that I have in nude that I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I call it deal of the century. Before I whip her on, I actually forgot to showcase that she does have a bottom or back lace right here, so that would be good if you want to put her in a pony or whatnot. All right, I put my wigs on front to back. And wow, 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 wow. She's already looking like a little seductress dream. Let's again, since I have her on, take a look at that hairline. Really great. I mean, seriously, not much to do on the sides and definitely not up in the front. She just looks like a dream ready to put on. All right, so let's cut off the lace really quickly. I'm gonna take my wig brush and just brush her out really quickly. And wow, here she is, all brushed out, looking glamorous. So I do feel like she had pretty average shedding for a wig. I do feel like with these very long straight wigs that it seems like it's shedding more just because the hairs are so long. But it definitely didn't seem aggressive. But I'm absolutely loving the way this feels. I cannot lie to you. All right, so let's actually stand up so I can show you where she's landed. So she's at the 22 inches. So that is definitely like just past my chest, just above belly button. And I'm just loving these colors. I mean, wow, she looks so incredibly natural. I cannot handle it. All right, so like I mentioned with the hairline that I could have probably cut her down a little bit, and honestly I feel like I didn't. but she looks really great as is. All right, so let me just show you with this 6-inch free parting, like how you can like slice through the hair and create that parting. So I'm just gonna drag my finger, of course, best with a comb, but I'm just gonna drag my finger so you can see like there it is right there. I'm like, that looks amazing. And then let's just go on this side and just put my finger through it. Yeah, I mean, that looks great, right? So definitely hats off to Kryssma. I'm super impressed with this wig. Not only with this gorgeous color tone, but also with this 13x6 free parting. As you saw, that you can really flip it all the way around and have a little fun with her. So let me know if you have this wig or if you have another 13x6 wig. I would love to know and see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can possibly be. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in a 13x6 gorgeous brown ombre wig, wear it, love it, and own it. I want to